Every batch earns an identity. Timing meets coordination. This is where scale begins. Weight moves inward. Human judgment remains. Standards are enforced instantly. Verification never stops. Measured perfection. Strength in structure. Every journey begins where nature ripens perfection.
Wesent transcription. Experience guides the first selection.
Only fruit at peak readiness is chosen.
Care protects flavor from the first cut.
Harvest becomes volume, from trees to system. Harvests merge into scale. Every batch earns an identity. The road ahead is prepared. Timing meets coordination. The harvest leaves the field. Harvest enters motion.
Transcal. T-transcription. Protection continues in transit.
Precision follows every mile. Industry draws closer. Nature meets infrastructure.
Arrival is controlled.
Traceability confirmed.
Transport hands over the harvest. This is where scale begins. The factory opens its gates.
Roles are assumed without words.
Machines extend human reach. Weight moves inward. Flow is initiated. Transcription. Gravity assists precision. Scale reveals itself. Human judgment remains. The next stage awaits. The next stage. Cleanliness is engineered. Preparation becomes purification. The surface tells its story. Cleanliness is systematic. Nothing unnecessary moves forward. Preparation continues quietly. I still matter.
Standards are enforced instantly.
Uniformity defines efficiency.
Order is restored.
Dry surfaces protect quality. Approval is continuous. The core awaits.
Embedja Entwicklungsdatenzoon.
Transformation is about to begin.
Accuracy begins with position.
Every fruit is different.
The peel yields first.
Removal without damage.
Nothing edible is lost. Decisive force. The core is removed. Pressure reveals essence. Texture is refined. Smoothness is engineered.
Nothing interferes.
Volume is controlled. Consistency is maintained. Consistency in what I'm doing, avertrothecin is an inalcoilax. Verification never stops.
The journey continues.
Nothing is hidden.
Balance is achieved.
Phase 5 is complete.
The base is assembled. Balance is engineered. Uniformity achieved. Numbers decide. Precision refines.
Heat prepares.
Safety is engineered. Freshness preserved.
Samtidigt skott en anti-injection tillåt peri-anti-brandleddanten enkselklimbet hatchet
Approved to proceed. K12 thetadig flanschen station and cumberings in the Wensplekstum klopnik to proceed. Sterility begins. At signed stog thruth. That side is dectability 2. The theory and schuler the opposite and success. Precision in motion. Alignment achieved.
Measured perfection.
Consistency protected.
Final closure. No margin for error. Every bottle remembered.
Ready for families.
Strength in structure. Secured for travel. Accuracy confirmed. Volume achieved. Protected and bound.
Distribution unlocked.
From mango to market.